Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Lord of the Fleas, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 5. A bunch of stuff that happened next.
We now return with a breaking news update.
Meanwhile,
Where are we going, Papa?
we've got to get out of town. I told you.
No, Papa. We gotta go back and save Sarah and Zuzu and Millie and Chief.
We can't. We don't have any weapons. All we've got is this measly old shrink ray. It only has 2 shots left.
But Papa!
Besides, I'm the bad guy. Everybody knows that.
But Papa!
I make poor decisions. I'm a scoundrel.
But Papa!
I can't be going around being all heroic and stuff.
But Papa!
I've got a bad reputation to uphold.
But Papa!
If you only knew the horrible things I've done, the awful, unforgivable things. I'm just evil, through and through. That's all everybody expects from me.
You can change, Papa. You just gotta switch expectations. Avoid repetition, Shumri Dumbledore, Etchuri Bibia blah blah.
Alright, I get the point. But if I help your friends, then you've got to do something for me.
What? What, Papa?
That's it! You've got to stop calling me Papa.
But why?
Look, we've been through this a million times. I am not your Papa. You're my clone. There's a big difference.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Okay, Peavy.
That's better. Now let's go save those silly friends of yours. Meanwhile...
Petey! Oh, Petey! Come out and play! Come out wherever you are!
Alright, kid, listen up. Here's the plan. You stay here while I sneak out there. If I'm lucky, I'll be able to shrink those jerks without hitting your friends. Whoa!
Did you drop your shrink ray?
Ah! Well, look who's here! Fire!
Hey, Peavy. Knock, knock.
Enough with the knock-knock jokes. This is serious.
Oh, come on. This is the best one of my life.
I said no. You're just gonna make something poop on my head again.
I won't do that this time. Come on, knock, knock.
Alright, who's there?
A cloud.
A cloud who?
A cloud pooped on your nose.
I am panicked with Li'l Petey! I can't look!
Oh, I know, man. Oops, I the Bark Knight. Hi, ADHD.
Hey!
Hi, Lightning Dude. You guys look awesome in your costumes. I sure wish I hadn't forgotten mine.